use the graph to write the system of inequalities. And you'll see that we have a solid line passing through the x-intercept of -2 and a y-intercept of +2, and it's shaded below that. Then we also have a solid line with a y-intercept of -2, and then another point which is 1, 2. And this time it's shaded above that. So let's start with this line here and begin with the slope-intercept form. We would have y and then the slope. The slope, if we look at it, is we go down 2 and then to the left 2. So it's -2 over -2. Well, -2 over -2, of course, is 1. So we have, for the slope, 1 times then x plus the y-intercept, which we noticed is 2. Now, we want to shade below that line because that's what this shaded area shows us. And therefore, the inequality would be y is less than or equal to, because it's a solid line, we have the equal to, and it's less than because we've shaded below. Now let's deal with the other line. In this case, we'll have y, and now we look at the slope. We have this point going to this point. So we go down 3, and then we go left 1. So the rise is -3, the run is -1. We take the rise over the run. So we have -3 over -1, but that's a +3. Now we know that the y-intercept is a -1, so we subtract 1. This time, we wish to graph or shade above this line, and therefore we would have greater than or equal to, the equal to part because the line is solid, and greater because it's shaded above the line. So this is our system of inequalities that's represented by this graph.